Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of the Eufy X10 Pro Omni robotic vacuum and mop. This advanced cleaning companion promises to revolutionize your household chores with its cutting-edge features. We'll explore its design, performance, unique functionalities, and whether it's worth your hard-earned money. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about the design of the Eufy X10 Pro Omni. It boasts a sleek D-shaped body, equipped with a powerful suction system and dual mops that rotate at 180 revolutions per minute. The robot stands out with its robust construction and thoughtful design elements, including a base station that not only charges the device but also manages its cleaning resources efficiently. The base station is on the larger side, housing substantial tanks for clean and dirty water. Despite its size, the setup is intuitive and well-engineered, ensuring a hassle-free cleaning experience. The X10 Pro Omni's design scores high marks for its functionality and ease of maintenance. Moving on to performance, the X10 Pro Omni impresses with its intelligent navigation capabilities. Powered by lidar and camera technology, this robot creates precise maps of your home, allowing for customizable cleaning routes and the creation of no-go zones. During our tests, it navigated seamlessly around furniture and obstacles, adapting swiftly to changes in the environment. Cleaning performance is where the X10 Pro Omni truly shines. With various suction levels and mopping intensities, it tackles dirt, debris, and spills with efficiency. The mopping pads exert significant pressure on hard floors, ensuring a thorough clean without streaks or puddles. It's particularly effective in maintaining cleanliness across different floor types, though it occasionally struggles with higher door thresholds. Now, let's talk about the app experience. The Eufy Clean app provides robust control over the X10 Pro Omni's functionalities. From scheduling cleaning sessions to adjusting suction power and monitoring cleaning progress, the app offers comprehensive management options at your fingertips. Setting up virtual boundaries and room-specific cleaning preferences is straightforward, enhancing the robot's usability. Moreover, the X10 Pro Omni integrates well with smart home ecosystems, offering voice command support via popular platforms. This seamless connectivity adds convenience, allowing users to initiate cleaning routines effortlessly. In conclusion, the Eufy X10 Pro Omni is a standout performer in the realm of robotic vacuums. It combines powerful suction, intelligent navigation, and versatile mopping capabilities into a single sleek package. While it's not without its minor quirks like the large base station and occasional threshold challenges, its overall performance and smart features make it a worthy investment for households seeking efficient cleaning solutions. Absolutely. If you're looking to upgrade your cleaning arsenal with a sophisticated robotic vacuum and mop, the Eufy X10 Pro Omni delivers on its promises. Its advanced features and solid performance justify the investment, providing a hassle-free cleaning experience tailored to modern lifestyles. That wraps up our review of the Eufy X10 Pro Omni. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.